Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to withdraw your money from tradovate. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google, search for tradovate and then log in your accounts. Click on login. After click login accounts with your all information, you will see start simulations. Go to transfer and payment. This is the option, and then select your this hardware accounts. This is for a bank account transfer money or withdraw, friends. If you want to withdraw to bank accounts, after that write your all details, your bank accounts, such bank types and bank names and IBA, and then write your custom account number or IBAN. So friends, just click hardware accounts from this option and then click on your all details from your bank. After that, you can transfer and withdraw your money successfully without any problem. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.